Okay, all like that. Help me make mine.
Okay.
So we can make like a really big ball. Oh my god, you guys. The snow are melting
Yeah,
fast.
really fast.
So like that. So the body, this is the body. Here.
Yes, we need to make it like a perfect circle. We need to make it like a perfect circle. This is literally so cool.
Oh my god, this is cute. It's moving.
Whoa, we need sticks also. So we need to make it a big one.
Like
Hey
that.
guys, I'm gonna go do something very quick, okay?
Where are you going?
I'm gonna find a little bit.
Another big ball.
I'm gonna make my own snowman. This is kind of weird. Guys,
That's really a good
if you want to make a snowball while it's snowing, you need to
How Daddy really good? We can trust no ball on him. Tell Daddy to put some sweater on. Yeah, you can't bring that snow inside because. Oh, we should use Oreo for the eyes.
yeah. It's gonna get dirty. You can't waste.
I want a big one.
Yeah, it's super cute. We need to make some hands also.
We're gonna get a stick for that. But I want this one. A big one. Like that. It looks like a Christmas tree.
Yeah. I'm gonna step on it.
No, Prince.
I'm just kidding. Shh, guys. I'm gonna bring mommy. Okay.
Prince, stop. You're supposed to help me make the snowman.
Why does it smell so yucky? Smoky. Why does it smell like so smoky, man?
Look, they made a snowman. All the way right there, look. See? Their snowman is so nice.
Let me see it. I'm gonna go see it.
No, don't go all the way out there, Prince. You're not allowed to.
Oh man, it's so cool. Our summer looks so weird. Our summer looks so weird right now.
It's not
I
done
want to
yet.
destroy it. I want to destroy it. It's so
Prince,
ugly.
you better.
Not ugly, but
You don't talk like that, you know
I
me?
think I like that one better than ours.
Go make your own right there.
I don't think it looks perfect. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make my snowman perfect. Never gonna look perfect enough. It's not really the way I want it to be. But I'm just gonna make my snowman. We should not. Mom, let's not use Oreos for the eyes. Literally, it's not that good. Their smell is so nice. More better than ours. I smell
Look, Prince, it's as big as yours.
Get nah.
I want it a circle.
I'll fix it. You know
Here,
what?
put more right here. So it will be a fat
A fat snowman.
Yeah.
No. Back.
Everyone, so we're gonna go find a stick for our snowman. Let me show you guys our snowman. Come on, Prince, let's go find a stick. Come on.
Wait, there's some snowballs at the
There should be a stick right here.
there should be a stick over there.
Whoa, look at that. It's like a puddle in here. Prince, stay right there. Because if you go over here, you might sink in with this water. Let me see. Oh, yeah, it's water. You can't even go over there. Let me see if I can stay right there, okay? Trying to get a stick for a snowman. Maybe this one will grow. Can't even get it. They're too hard. Let's see. Wow. Ooh. Cannot get it. Prince, not too loud. There's one. Oh, how about that? Two. Let's see. Prince, do not go closer right there because the snow might fall from you, from the roof. Chandler. God, you don't listen, I'm gonna pop out you, man.
Wow.
Here, you put one in the other side.
Okay. I'll put.
Oh man, how about you do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Good job.
I don't have this snowman, so. Let's see if they're straight.
Yeah, make sure they're straight.
Make sure they're in the same receiver.
Good job. Now, let's use your hat.
Yep.
Let's use your hat. Hold on. It's backwards, so you gotta face it me. The ice will be facing me, Prince.
Oh, it's backwards?
Yeah.
It'll be right here.
So make sure that PJ Maxx is facing me, okay?
Okay.
Good job, baby. Your snowman's almost done.
So cute.
Okay, take a picture. I'll help you. No. It's to go like that. Aw, how cute.
So cute.
Okay, take a
Make it a
picture.
little bit straight. Make it a little bit straight. Make it a little bit straight.
Okay, take a picture.
Where? Okay, guys. So we're gonna put some Oreos inside here. So
What's the Oreos gonna be, the ice?
the eyes. Yep.
Is there any more Oreos?
Yeah, there's.
Oh yeah, there is.
There's a little bit.
Here, I'll teach you how.
Can you take one now? You have logo.
So you're just gonna get one by one. So look, this is the eye. Oh, that's so cool.
Good. It looks so good.
Okay, now the other one.
Other one?
Oh no. You can eat one. Go ahead. Here, eat one.
One, yeah.
The eye. Oh! Oh no! It's okay. And just push it in like that. There. Should we put a map like that too? There you go. That completes it. Now, should I put a scarf on it? Yeah. Our snowman.
What are you doing?
Our snowman. What are you doing? Oh, you could put this like that for the buttons.